In the midst of Metro Atlanta, a 5-acre park provides much-needed green space along the South Fork of Peachtree Creek. Currently owned by Emory University, the property, known as the Hahn Forest, is a key connection between several restoration efforts along South Peachtree Creek. The site has played many roles throughout history, as a grist mill, a power plant, a private homestead, and a landfill for construction debris. In 1993, approximately 4 acres of the site were restored into a public green space and teaching forest. Today, the Hahn Forest offers an opportunity to connect public green spaces and communities along the creek with walking trails. A recent grant awarded by the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation and Southern Company subsidiary Georgia Power through the 5-Star and Urban Waters Restoration Program will support efforts by Trees Atlanta to continue improvements and offer educational opportunities to volunteers and visitors.
Working with partners like Trees Atlanta through the 5-Star program is an effective way to help make our communities better, and it aligns with Georgia Power's goal to preserve and protect the environment.
The Hahn Forest Restoration Project enhances portions of the forest and stabilizes the eroded creek bank by removing invasive plants, planting native trees, live stakes, and improving walking trails.
So the main challenge out here at Hahn Woods was encroachment by invasive species, and in this particular instance, being a bottomland next to a creek, it was 99% Chinese privet that was coming in. As any land manager will tell you, once you get privet in a bottomland, it gets in there and it gets very thick. So that was the main challenge. There's a lot of university staff and students who use the woods as sort of a passive use area where they'll walk through it. In terms of getting the privet cut back, it does improve sight lines because when it's in there so thick, you can't really see very far off the trail. So in terms of perceived safety of trail users, that's gone up quite a bit.
Thanks to the 5-Star grant, along with volunteers from the university and surrounding community, the Hahn Forest project links the upstream and downstream efforts of many groups and citizens heavily invested in improving this important Atlanta waterway.